Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to handle financial hardships while paying off an upstart loan. Now, unexpected hardships, either job loss, medical bills, whatever it is, these can impact loan payments. So here's how to manage your loan during difficult times. The first thing you can do is to contact Upstart immediately. So you need to explain your situation before missing a payment and ask about possible due date extensions or modified payment plans. Of course, you can contact Upstart on their email or the mobile number. Now, you can also explore assistance option. So if your hardship is temporary, Upstart may allow a short-term payment pause. But if it's long-term, then you want to consider loan refinancing with better terms. Also, you want to avoid defaulting on your loan. So missing multiple payments is going to significantly damage your credit score, and it's going to lead to collection. So if needed, you're going to need to seek help from a non-profit credit counseling agency, and they might help you to avoid defaulting on your loan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.